In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Calendar appointment link in your email signature. This is a handy feature that provides an easy way for others to book meetings with you directly from your email signature. Let's get started. First, head over to Google Calendar. You can do this by opening your browser and typing in the URL or simply clicking through your saved bookmarks. Once you're there, find a pre-existing bookable appointment on your calendar. If you haven't set one up yet, don't worry. Just take a quick moment to create a new bookable appointment at a time that suits you. Once you have your appointment ready, click on it. Next, you'll see an option to copy the appointment link. This link is crucial because it will enable others viewing your email signature to directly schedule a time with you. Go ahead and click on Copy Link. With the link now on your clipboard, we're ready to move on to the email settings. Now open up your Google Mail. Once you're inside, look to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see the familiar gear icon, which represents your settings. Click on that. There, you'll find a drop-down menu. From this menu, click on See All Settings. This will take you to a more detailed settings page. On this settings page, locate the tab labeled Signature. This is where you'll manage and create your email signatures. Click on it, and then select Create New. In the field that appears, type something inviting like book a meeting with me. This will be the clickable part of your signature that encourages others to schedule their time with you. Once you've typed in your preferred text, click Create. Now, let's turn this text into a link to your calendar appointment. Highlight your chosen text and then click the icon that allows you to add a link. Paste the Google Calendar link you copied earlier into the URL field that appears. Make sure it matches the appointment link exactly. After pasting, click Apply to finalize the linking process. You've officially tied your appointment link to your signature text. But hold on, you're not quite done yet. The final step is crucial. You need to save all these changes. Look towards the bottom of the settings page. There you'll find a button labeled Save Changes. Click on it to ensure your new signature is saved and ready to use. And there you have it. Now, every email you send will feature your new signature, complete with a convenient link for others to schedule meetings with you directly from your email. It's a simple yet effective way to streamline communication and make scheduling a breeze. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.